On today's auspicious celebration of Work's holiday, over 6 dozen job fairs mushroomed across the nation for the tens of thousands of Filipinos seeking to make a life for themselves and their families. Clearly, the hottest or more popular ones are the Department of Migrant Workers Job Expo that offers deserving or able candidates or applicants a shot at making a more decent paying or sustaining work opportunity overseas. The full story in this report.
Lucy left Gian Eastern Samar to attend a job fair in Manila. She was applying for a caregiver job in Canada. She has been training for such a job for a year at TESDA. She wants to go to work abroad to help her family.
Gusto makatulong sa pamilya ko. Malaki po kaysa dito sa Pilipinas. Saka yung savings po, malaking may tutulong nila.
Like Lucy, Jai also wants to find a job abroad. She left Dasmariñas, Cavite early for a job fair in Quezon City. She's shooting for a support staff position on a cruise ship.
Mas malaki yung sahod pag sa ibang bansa. Mas makakaipon po. May kapatid ako nag-aaral, mapag-aaral ko po. Ganon, makakapagpagawa ng bahay. Kung mas malaki yung sahod.
They are but two from among thousands of applicants who participated in a mega job fair held by the Department of Migrant Workers at a mall in Quezon City in celebration of Labor Day. 11 DMW accredited recruitment agencies participated in the job fair, offering nearly 5,000 jobs abroad. Most of these sought-after jobs are for skilled workers, healthcare workers, and hospitality and tourism workers in countries in the Middle East, Asia, North America, and Europe. The agency also conducted a pre-employment orientation seminar and anti-illegal recruitment and trafficking in persons program. According to the DMW, more than 2 million OFWs left last year. Saudi Arabia and the United Arab Emirates are still among the top destinations for OFWs.
Sa bagong Pilipinas ng ating Pangulo, ang serbisyo ng pamahalaan kailangan ninyong maramdaman. Kaya po kami nandito ngayon.
Meanwhile, nearly 1,000 applicants participated in a Dole Kamanava job fair at a mall in Caloocan. More than 100 were hired on the spot, including close to 20 members of the Pantawid Pamilyang Pilipino program, or 4Ps. Renz is one of the lucky few who was hired right away as a refrigeration engineer by a food manufacturing company.
I can promise the company that who hired me that I would do my best as an engineer.
Asahan po ng ating mga mamamayan, patuloy po ang Department of Labor and Employment na makikipag-ugnayan sa iba-ibang ahensya ng gobyerno at sa ating mga pribadong sektor para makapagbigay ng mas maayos na serbisyo.
William Theo from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.